Okay, well, I looked around, looked up there, over there, that's where that keypad is, and the electrical lines. The only thing I can think of is what she's referring to is this right there. Do you see that? I mean, it does feel like maybe a rat or a mouse chewed on that a little bit, but could that possibly make it so it's not working? I don't really think it is. Oh man, which means I would have to go to the store and cut this off back to there and put a new plug in on it right there, and luckily there's enough wire there for me to put an end on there, and then still have enough length to plug it back in there. And I'm surprised an inspector let whoever did the wiring here let this wire go and stuff, because that doesn't look like it's per code. It's just kind of hanging there, no staples on it, no staples over here, almost like they added it later on after the inspector got done. But either way, I'm gonna get a new cord in, and I'm gonna put it on there and plug it in. I just honestly, I don't think that's what it is. I think it's gonna be something else. But hey, when your wife tells you what she thinks it is according to somebody else, you better just go through the motions and get her done, right? So that's what I'm going to do. And if it's not that, what else could I do? Remember, I could go on the internet and go Hydromax, the Max, and the EO6. The E is an air, and 06 would be number 6 air, and that should tell me what it is. In fact, I might do that before I go to the store. But either way, I think I'm going to have to do that just because I know how to do it, and it'll be okay. I can do that, and at least then I can mark that off my list if that's not it. Okay, and if it has something to do with that, it might be because the whole keypad might have to be replaced. There might be something attached to there, a little fuse or something, who knows. And I don't know if that keypad, if you have to shimmy back in here to get it off, or maybe it clips in from the front side and you have to be really super careful. Maybe it'll pop out. Maybe there's something on the back of that. I'll have to look and find out, because there's not much room in here. Hey, if somebody needed to get back in there, they could do it if it's life or death, right? I'm not ready to do that just yet. Okay, stand by, and I'll get that, go to the store and replace that into the cord, because that cord goes up to the motor. That cord goes over to the motor. Okay, and I'll look at the internet too, see what I can find out. Hey, I'm not calling a plumber or an electrician just yet, okay? And here's the thing, I always like to try to check things out on my own first to see if I can't get it fixed, because you call somebody and they charge you an arm and a leg, $250, $300 to come out here and find out it was just the cord end and that's it, or you find out something else. Had you have checked it first, you might have been able to figure it out on your own. Phooey on calling an electrician or a plumber just yet.